this is Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Picola's Vlogs, and today we have an unboxing. I'm actually really excited about this one. It is IPSY. This is my first time actually ordering from them and getting something in from them, and honestly, I'm really not sure what's in here. I did purchase 2 mystery bags, and I also did their monthly subscription, so I have no idea which one this is. Let's find out together. So if you don't know what IPSY is, it's IPSY.com, and it's actually a makeup subscription box. I shouldn't say box, makeup subscription package. And they do have different mystery bags as well. This one was recommended to me by Lauren over at Lauren's Treasures. There's a link to her channel down in my features page, so go ahead and check her channel out, and let's see what's inside this cute little pink bag. Okay, cute little bag. First of all, I want to say, I shouldn't say bag, I don't know why I keep saying bag. Mailer, cute little mailer packaging, bubble wrap, and it says IPSY, and it also says discover yourself. So I have my scissors right here, and I really have no idea what's in here. I'm just like, I have no idea. Let's see. They did send some like spoiler type stuff to me, but I didn't really open it, so I honestly don't know. Oh, okay, cool. This is the 2 mystery bags. 2 mystery bags. I got the April one, and then I also got the winter package. So they're on their website. Oh, nice. 2 cute little makeup brushes. This one right here. And then, oh, this one's nice too. So I got that in there. This one says, oh, this is cute. It's like a little white one. It says hit refresh. It's a cute little beading. And then this one, oh, this is cute. This is just like some leaves, some plant leaves. It's all about the Monstera this year. Look at this. I keep seeing Monstera leaves everywhere, and I keep saying, hey, Monstera leaf, Monstera leaf. So I don't know, I guess that's the in plant. Good thing I'm in because I have Monsteras, so who even knew? But yeah, let's see what's in this one first. This one, I'm pretty sure, is the winter one, just because of the white packaging and, you know, winter look. So it looks like snow. Let's see. Wow, there's actually a lot of stuff in here. Okay. After Hours Lip Balm. Nice little hydration lip balm. Always good, especially in the winter, but even in the summer too. And a cute little bubble wrapped. Not really sure if it's an eyeshadow or a blush. Probably an eyeshadow, maybe even a highlighter. It's from the Beauty Corp. Oh yeah, and you also, they ask you, when you do sign up, they ask you a bunch of different questions about your skin type, what kinds of things you're interested in. So it's supposed to be, I mean, these ones really aren't individualized, I don't think, but the monthly ones that they send you are more individualized. So let me see if I can open this. Okay, so it's sealed, so let me undo it. Okay, so this is actually an eyeshadow. I figured it out, I got it open. And it's from the Beauty Crop. It's actually really pretty, it's a purple. Let's see if I can get it open again. There we go. Nice little, almost a little bit of metallic in it, purple. And the next thing in here is from Desert Sunset. It says Pacifica Desert Sunset, and it is a matte blush and bronzer. Let's open this one up and see. It's really cute packaging. Let's see what's in here. You would think with nails I'd be able to do it, but I still can't get them open. So. Okay, and I actually just noticed this. It says 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Very nice, very nice. And, oh, comes with a mirror. And just like it says, a blush and a bronzer. And the last thing in here is from Sugar X, and it's an eyeliner. So yeah, that was actually pretty cool. I'm happy with that. Let's see what's in the next one. The Monstera one. This one is the April one. So I'm thinking it might be a little more springy colors and springy things, but I have no idea. I love the bag though. I'm actually really excited about the bag. So there are 4 items in here as well. This is, oh, Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. It's Bright Eyes. Can always use those. Can always use that. You can never cover those circles enough, right? Okay, and it's by Gold Fade and MD. So, never heard of them, but I cannot wait to try this one out. And this is, okay, Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. Very, very nice. I love the green. That's very springy to go with the Monstera. And 2 more items. This is Hydrate and Renew Replenishing Night Cream. Very nice. And the last item is by shopvioletvoss.com. Probably some kind of a eyeshadow. Seems pretty obvious, but let's see what it actually is. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. It's like brown. It's actually really good for eyebrows too. So yeah. So that's what I got in this mystery bag. So yeah, that's what I got inside my mystery bags. I think they're pretty cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lay everything out on the table and do a cute little montage at the end. But now let me tell you a little bit about IPSY.com, just in case you haven't heard of them or you're interested in subscribing to them. Okay, so I'll tell you a little bit about IPSY. I actually took some notes. So the ones that I bought again were the April mystery bag, and it was a $14 member price. And then I also bought the limited edition Winter Refresh mystery bag, which was also $14. It says that's the member price, and the price it has listed is $54.55 without a membership, but I did subscribe to their monthly box, so I will be getting that one in probably in about 2 weeks, so I'll definitely do a review of that. And the subscription cost for me was $12.75 with the tax. The shipping was part of that price as well. And they did also have larger bags available, which were $30, and those were listed as $120 non-membership price. So that was it for IPSY. So that concludes today's video. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to comment down below, like the video, and hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to roll the montage. Bye! Thank you.